There we go.
Yeah, come on. Some shit like this. Some shit like this, nigga. You just don't know the little boy could come up with some shit like this. Bitch, I spit the worst little bit and I be round them killers and shit. BLP get money and you know that, bitch. I be in East St. where it really ain't safe. Call the hitman up and he'll hit your little bitch with that chopper. Niggas will break this on my real proper. Your nigga 18 trying to get money, nigga. Understand? And you can't ever break the rules or get confused. Marco will lose them schools and get recruits to in this bitch. And Marco don't give a fuck, man. I'm trying to get money, shit. Understand? And will you be off in these streets, up in this beef? And this shit is like some beef. This street he shit. And Marco be off in that shit. Yeah, Banks on the beat. And you know that, bitch. Yeah, nigga.